everyone. Welcome back to That Sounds Holy.
Hoy.
Holy!
Hoy.
Sorry, medyo ano ko ngayon. Pa-mysterious girl yung
Lagi mo
atake
naman
ko
sinasabi
ngayon.
yun pero hindi nangyayari.
Hindi, sinasabi ko na para mawala na siya.
Okay. Sige.
Lahat pala tayo naka-black, no?
Kami lang, kami.
Ish. Oo nga.
Kaming tatlo lang.
The rose among
So
the...
today we're gonna talk about production in the,
Labo.
in the feast. No, so if you've listened to the last episode, which you should do right now.
Not now. They're listening to this episode.
No, like go there.
Hindi, okay lang. Listen to it first. And then come
Mag-aantay
back.
kami.
Okay. Good point.
Pause mo muna kami. Pause muna tayo. 1, 2, 3 po.
Sabay na.
Okay.
One, two, three. Alright.
So you've listened to the last episode. Thank you, Nico, again for sharing so bravely and for trusting us and the donuts with your story. And yeah, we learned a lot.
Yeah.
So now, thank you for being here again. Okay, let's pause again. No, so thank you for being here again. And now, so I was asking from Isa a while ago how to make this conversation. She's my
Ba't
personal
nilaglag mo yung
chat
sarili mo?
GPT.
Okay.
No, so naturally from when you witness and when you talk to people about, or when people see you transform, of course that's gonna be like very attractive. That is, you become radiant, you become so full of light, you live differently, you choose different decisions, and of course parang umiiba na talaga lahat. And naturally people will be drawn to that, right?
Yeah.
It's either they're like, oh, I want to be like you, or like, oh, what is that, or like, hello, ano yan? Akala niya ba sino siya?
It attracts
Ganyan.
both sides.
Yeah, so it attracts all kinds of
Yeah.
reactions.
Yeah.
So na I think we're gonna try. Depende kasi to kasi based on the previous episode, we talked about things we didn't plan to talk about. So
Yeah.
this is gonna be exciting. But we're planning to just. Ay, sorry. Can you delete that? Okay, thank you.
No, don't. Huwag niyo delete yan.
So for this one naman, yung part naman na you have to kind of tell people about your faith or sometimes defend it when they ask you or when they become curious. Where was I going with this?
We have the same question.
So since si Nico nandito na, sulitin na natin.
Yeah.
So when people ask you
Yeah.
or become curious, of course, wala namang training dyan na step 1, ganito dapat.
Yeah, there's no
Yeah.
cookbook.
Yeah.
Yung PR training yun.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wala namang Catholic PR agency,
Yeah,
ganon,
yeah.
diba? So, in your experience, usually, what is the reaction? Dun pa lang pala. So, what is the reaction so far when you become so open in talking about your faith?
Right. Actually, ang weird is I actually get more negative comments from fellow Catholics.
Really?
Yeah.
What's new?
Yung mga friends ko na Muslim, gano'n.
Ano?
Exhibit A.
What's new? Tayo lang din naman nagsisika. Nakakainis na nga. Eh.
Exactly.
Bruh.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
yung friends mo na Muslim, ano?
Sorry. Like I have friends who are Muslim, Protestants, ganyan. Iba INC, ganyan. Sila naka-heart pa sila sa reel ko eh. Alam mo yun? Pero yung mga random Catholics na minsan sila yung nagko-comment pa na.
Curious question. What are the comments that you receive?
There was a time. Ito, harap-harapan talaga.
Huh?
Yeah.
Hindi keyboard warrior?
No.
Wow.
Warrior lang,
Totoong
warrior.
warrior.
May keyboard lang siya. Face to face. Ganyan.
I was invited to do a talk in a school. Tapos after nun, nag-dinner kami ng mga teachers, ganyan-ganyan. And it was nice, it was fun. Kwento-kwento sila about students, ganyan-ganyan. And then I was there, sa harap ko yung CL teacher, yung Christian Living teacher,
Okay.
Catholic. And then, natanong niya lang sa akin, so anong community ka bro? Like, ano bang ginagawa mo? Like, anong service mo? Ganyan. Mag-serve ka ba sa parish? Ganyan. Sabi ko, actually, well, ano po ako, layman po ako, ganyan. And I also sometimes lead worship and sometimes I preach po, ganyan.
Layman. So, recent to.
Yeah,
Okay.
recent lang
Kasi
to.
kaka-layman mo lang. Okay.
Mamaya
Wala,
pag name drop
laglag.
na yan siya.
Wag na natin ilaglag.
Tapos sabi niya sa akin, so anong community ka bro? Sabi ko, sa The Feast po. Ito talaga sabi niya sa akin, The Feast. As in, tas ang dami namin Saya ako nainis, ang dami namin. The Feast. Gumanon siya. Sabi ko, ay, bakit po, sir, nakapunta na po ba kayo ng,
sir.
lalaki.
lalaki. Nakapunta na po ba kayo ng The Feast? Parang ganyan. Tapos sabi niya, oo, naka-attend na ako dyan. Alam mo, no offense bro pero kasi, ano kasi kayo may drums yung misa nyo, bawal kasi dapat yun As in, sabi niya, harap-harapan.
Okay.
Tapos, sa loob-loob ko talaga, sa loob-loob ko lang.
Okay.
Sabi ko, edi sana, tumakbo na si si Cardinal Advincula kay Ren. As kinuha niya yung drumstick. Bawal yan sa
yan.
misa. Akin na yan. Di ba? Saan niya nakukuha yun? Pero again, sa loob-loob ko lang.
Yeah.
Just to be
Yeah,
clear.
sa loob-loob ko lang. Pero yung totoong sinabi ko sa kanya, ganun po ba? Aralin ko po. Gumanon na lang ako. And many other
Kala ko sabihin,
instances.
Akalin niyo po. Joke lang.
Grabe.
Oh, bakit? Defending our faith.
Real.
Cancelled.
Ano cancel din?
Alam nyo, kaya talaga may certain giftings yung mga magde-defend ng faith.
Oh yeah, mga church
Hindi
defendants
ako, tas
are...
Actually.
Kami baka 2 hours pa lang in the job, baka si Santi na agad
Ay, pero, may ganyan din akong experience. As in, halos same na galing akong talk. Tapos, galing ako retreat.
Baka siya yun.
Tapos sir din. Tapos,
Feeling
tas
ko
ganun
kilala
din,
niya to.
nakaupo din kami kumakain kami na sa table, ganyan. Tapos tinanong din ako, parang, anong community ka, ganyan. Tapos nang sinabi ko, The Feast. May ganyan din siyang mukha na parang, The Feast. Ganyan. Parang, bakit po? Sabi niya, wala. Ganyan yung niyo Basta parang may ganun na, pero
Yeah.
ang patama niya ay sa talks. Parang sa practices and sa talks. So parang ako medyo, hindi naman po ganun yung ganyan. Basta tinatry ko i-explain. Kaso mukhang sarado na siya. So parang, okay
Yeah.
po.
Yeah.
Parang,
Yeah.
you just know when to stop. Like, okay.
Yeah.
Right, yeah.
Yeah. Ako rin like, sabi ko na lang, ito yung time na kailangan ko umuo na lang. Minsan may ganun Di ba, may time na magde-defend ka, may time na umuo ka na lang, which is learned it the hard way.
Yeah.
Why? What was the hard way?
Ay, hindi ko alam. Alam ko nag-message ka pa sa akin.
Ayun yun! Sorry, medyo slow po tayo ngayong gabi. Yeah. Yeah.
Bakit? Ano ba yung message?
No, so I know it's a tough thing to receive. Lalo na pag, kunyari, you were sent there to, it's a good thing that you're doing. Na parang, punta tayo, tas mag-talk, tas share about God, and I know most of the time, they get us. Parang for the campus ministers who get us, parang palagi nilang sinasabi na gusto nila they get us, the feast, specifically, because of the language that we use that can minister easily to the young
The
people.
charism, yeah.
Tapos, pag yan yung marireceive mo, parang, ano ba? Parang siya.
So ano ba talaga?
Oo.
Yeah.
Yeah. But it's from your
Experience.
experiences. Parang ang ganda na if you allow it also, it will help shape your humility,
Oh, yeah.
your
Yeah.
discernment kung is this the time I enter and I dive into this or wag na muna or
Yeah.
ipagdasal ko na lang
Yeah.
muna.
Yeah.
Even the way you receive Jesus, you have preferences.
Oh,
Ah,
yeah.
totoo.
And
Oh, yeah.
people have their own preferences.
Oh, yeah.
And then you know how people get when their preferences are not followed. Yun na lang. Simple as that.
Yeah.
Kapag
Yeah.
hindi na susunod yung preference nila, sarado na ako dyan.
Or they treat preference as doctrine.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. Doon ako
Ooh.
yung
Yun ang medyo-
yun yung sasabihin.
Oo.
Sometimes what you think is
That's a
effective for you
Mhm.
is yun yung doctrinal. Yun yung tama. That's the only and
Yeah.
everything else is wrong.
Yeah.
Everything else is lesser than what you are accustomed to.
Yeah.
And that usually ignites, these conversations wherein you now start defending. You
Yeah.
start not outweighing one another, pero parang ganun na yung nangyayari.
Yeah.
Na ito kasi, dapat ganito, dapat ganyan. But when in reality, you have the same vision, you have the same goal. It stems from the same teachings. But then, that's where it becomes dangerous.
Yeah.
Dun siya. And to your point, kanina, you pointed out something, both of you, na siguro pang questioner, if I may. When do you know, on the topic of defending, when do you know when it's time to say, okay, I'll stop. I'll zip it for now. Kasi you mentioned kanina sabi mo, dito na lang ako. And then you said, okay, mag-okay po na lang ako.
Yeah.
When is okay po or when is, kasi po ano eh.
Yeah.
What's the discernment process of choosing or when do you stop?
Ako, again, it hanggang ngayon I still balance it in my heart
Okay.
Pero ang isa sa mga ano ko talaga is, ano ba yung nafe-feel ko? Is it hate? Or is it defense? Na parang, do I really want to defend the faith or naiinis lang ako sa tao na to? Ganon.
Kaya talaga tayo, di tayo pwede dito.
Buti na lang di mo ako tinanong.
Okay. Kaya nga, kita mo gumagano lang ako. Walang dadadag. Ganun lang, 1, 2.
Ako na, sorry. Ako kasi mahilig ako manginis eh.
Oh, yes.
Kaya mo, hindi ka lang nga tinanong eh. Nilaglag mo pa yung sarili mo.
So pag ganyan talaga, yay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ne, pero yun nga, that's a good,
Metric.
metric.
parang
Yeah.
yeah.
Kung naiinis lang ba ako or there's something that needs to be corrected.
Yeah.
Right.
Saka iniisip ko rin na kasi iniisip mo na naman kung ano i-rebat mo eh. Tapos iniisip ko na rin agad ano kaya magiging reaction niya. Knowing him or her,
Uunahin mo na.
unahan ko na ano kaya magiging reaction nito. Hindi malamang may re-reply lang din to. Wag na lang. Ganon.
Yeah, that's true.
Kasi iba yung pag in-approach ka ng may patanong.
Yeah,
Bro,
yan.
Eto, hindi ko lang gets Ba't ba kasi kayo may banda sa
Yeah.
misa? Iba yun eh.
Oo.
Pero yung
Yeah.
mali kasi kayo, may banda. Alam mo na yun, hindi. Okay. Oo na lang ako dyan. Ganyan.
Siguro sa akin, mas yun. Hindi ako madaling mainis. Parang, naturally sa akin, hindi ako madaling mainis. So parang, pag may ganyan, ang una kong metric ay, open ba siya to a conversation?
Right.
Like, is this person really curious? Or is he or she attacking what I believe? Ganon. Kasi kung curious lang siya, sige, upuan natin. Like, sasagutin kita. Pero pag nakikita ko na kahit anong sabihin ko, babarahin mo lang din. Parang, sige, parang firm ka na sa belief mo eh.
Yeah.
Firm ka na sa pinaniniwalaan mo. So
Yeah.
parang, okay.
Ako naman, yung sa akin sa ganyan, it's two things. Are you attacking my faith or are you attacking me in my faith?
Right.
Kapag ako na yung ina-atake mo, okay, okay, sorry, diyan ka sa level mo. Alam mo yun, parang I'm not
That
gonna...
is important though.
Alam mo yun?
Parang,
totoo.
May difference.
Yeah.
Kapag ako na yung ina-atake mo in what I do in my
Oo.
faith, okay,
Yeah.
fine, sige. We'll just be adding fire
Yeah.
to each other.
Yeah.
But if you're attacking my faith, even if naiinis na ako, I'd still,
Yeah.
dun napapasok yung I'll be defending.
Right.
Kasi you're not attacking me.
Right.
You're attacking ng my faith. You're attacking my
Right.
God. You're attacking my...
Right.
yeah.
Teka lang. Diyan na ako papasok na.
Yeah.
May mali ka ng sinasabi dyan, kapatid. Kapatid.
Siguro, may naalala lang ako dun. I think nakwento ko na sa inyo to, but not on the podcast. Before kasi I was a wedding singer. Tapos,
Yeah.
ako lang yung Catholic.
Oh yeah, I
So,
remember this.
It was a Christian wedding band. Mga kaibigan ko rin naman. So, minsan mapupunta kami sa Christian wedding, minsan Catholic wedding. Pag Catholic wedding, syempre kailangan namin kantahin yung mass responses. Sila parang, ang standpoint lang nila doon, music lang. Kumbaga, ito yung kailangan, ito yung kakantahin namin. So, sa van, may isang beses, friends ko pa rin sila, hello. Nasa van kami, nag-aayos ng line-up na parang, itong kantang to, ganyan, ito. Tapos, nagjo-joke sila. Parang nakalimutan na ata nila na Katoliko ko. Parang, nagjo-joke sila, tas medyo, minamock nila yung sign of the cross. Na bigla sila nagaganon. So, parang nasa likod ako. Tapos, nanonood lang ako.
Right.
Kasi parang, anong sabihin ko na, bad kayo, di ba? Hindi mo.
Uy, ba't yan?
Excuse me,
tahimik lang ako. Tahimik lang ako sa likod. Hanggang sa na-realize ng isa. Tapos bigla siyang, parang, uy, gumanon siya. Na parang, uy, tama na, gumanon siya. Tapos tumingin siya sa akin. Sabi niya, sorry. Sabi niya, ano ba yung meaning ng ganitong, parang, bakit ba may ganitong mass response? Bakit
right.
ganito yung, doon ako pwedeng, parang, kasi ganito yan. Alam mo yun?
Just kidding.
Oo,
No,
I mean,
exactly not the point.
instead of parang, minamak nyo, parang, sige,
Yeah.
susugod ako dito.
Yeah.
Kayo nga eh. Mali.
Pero kumbaga, I waited for an opportunity to enter the conversation.
Yeah,
And to
yeah.
talk about the faith lang.
Yeah.
Tapos, after nun, parang okay, sige, nag-serve pa rin naman kami, nag-mass kami, kumanta kami sa wedding. Siyempre, ako lang yung nagpa-practice talaga nung
Yeah.
sa misa. Pero, after that, okay, kinuha pa rin naman nila ako. Nag-gig pa rin naman kami after, ganun. But I think that is also one important thing to consider. Parang the relationship first.
Ooh.
Na hindi
Oh, yeah.
hindi mo pwedeng atakihin lang na magkaiba tayong paniniwalaan eh. Ganyan.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yun.
Yeah. Yeah, I think when you were sharing, parang, kung kunyari, kung ako yung nandun sa van, tapos ganun sila, I wouldn't be attracted to their faith if their faith made them act like that. So, even if for some, may iba kasing nagsasabi na parang, hindi, don't back down, you have to like stand up, mga militant,
Church militants.
church militants. Parang, there's a place for that for
Yeah.
sure. Pero parang, I feel like I would be drawn more, attracted more to be open to this idea of the faith. If that person had every chance to stab me
Yeah.
with all the hardcore truths,
Right.
but because they had consideration for what I might feel,
Right.
hindi na lang nila ginawa.
Yeah.
So, hindi siya, parang hindi siya, ay, weak ka, ganyan.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
not losing. It's actually a greater victory. Alam mo
Yeah.
yun? Parang mas malalim
Yeah.
siyang win for the
Yeah.
faith. Yeah.
And it goes both ways, Like, us as Catholics, na hindi na natin
Yeah,
In your
exactly.
face sa kanila.
Yeah,
Ito
yeah.
parang, I remember nung isang event natin na we were debating on, it was an interfaith thing.
Yeah.
And we
This
were-
is the...
Yeah, and we were debating sa likod na parang, do we sign of the cross? Do we do the sign of the
Yeah,
cross?
yeah,
or
Saan na ba to?
not?
Yeah.
Yes. So, parang, do we do the sign of the cross or not? Ganyan. Na parang, Catholic tayo. Pero parang at the end of the day, will doing that minister to them and allow them to worship with us, or would it cause them to sin? Parang, kasi
Yeah.
pag nakita ba nila yon, madidistract sila na hindi na sila mag-worship with us? Or like, will it cause them to think na parang, ay, mga Catholic to, hindi na ako makikinig. Ganun, kumbaga ganun. Na parang,
Yeah.
so tayo, I think ang naging compromise natin, nagdasal tayo backstage bago umakyat.
Yeah,
Oh, I
yeah.
still did it.
Yeah, but not as a, kumbaga we didn't lead it na,
Hindi yung usual na parang pag,
Yeah.
in Jesus' name, amen. And like, as in,
Ah.
di ba,
Yeah,
we
sa dulo.
usually
I remember that.
really do it. Yeah. Yeah. And I remember that I was really against that. Because that was
Yeah,
the
we
time
had
I was so on fire. I was like, no, I'm not gonna pretend that I'm not Catholic. I was like, I'm not gonna change myself
Yeah.
so that I can be more palatable to the people. When I feel like they're ignorant of like the differences, blah 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 blah. But the thing that I liked about that also is we talked about it.
yeah.
And there was an openness to the conversation na parang, okay, sige. So it's not just between servants and people in the church and from people from the outside. It
Yeah.
can also be within the servants because like who has monopoly of all the knowledge in the church?
Yeah.
True.
Wala eh. So
True.
there really still has to be an ongoing
Yeah.
Conversation.
conversation.
Doon na rin papasok yung standing firm in your faith.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Diba, we don't have to be in your face. That doesn't mean that I have to water down my faith.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, darating ka rin sa parang, kapag kunwari, sige, nirabatan ko siya. After ba ng usapan namin, mas gugustuhin niyang umattend ng feast?
Yun.
Yeah.
Or mas mapaisip siya na, ay, pangit. Tapos pangit pa ugali nila.
Yabang,
Ganon, nagdagdag pa
yabang.
sila ng rason.
Gets.
Oo,
Oo.
yeah, diba?
Tama.
O pag nanahimik ka na isip, grabe, kinwestiyon ko siya pero parang mabait pa rin siya sa akin.
Yeah.
Baka nga may
Tama.
something sa feast. Parang alam mo yun, parang gano'n.
Bruh, sobrang template talaga natin si Tito Bo. As
Oo.
in,
Ay, totoo yan.
kill them with kindness, man.
They won't know what hit them. They'd be like, huh, but I was horrible. Come on, be horrible to me.
Oo.
Like,
Because I feel like some people just really want to get something out of you. Like to get a reaction out of you.
Yeah. Yeah.
But
sadly
and
kasi,
when they see that you don't respond with the same aggression, parang
Yeah.
okay.
And that's also like treating them higher.
Yeah.
Parang, huy, hindi yan. Dito tayo.
yeah. It's a subtle way of saying, ba't ka nandyan?
Oo nga. But it also like reminding them na, huy.
or as Christians, diba, we're called to show them a perspective that there is something better than what they're seeing now, or where they are now.
Yeah.
Yes.
Bakit?
Yes.
hindi
Relax,
hindi
relax.
kasi ako nag-timer.
Okay. It's fine,
Si
it's fine.
Jed ang timer natin.
Eh, ba't tayo?
Kaya pa daw.
Yeah, okay.
Jed, okay ka
So-
naman dyan?
So I think because of that, I wanna ask also, because some people are like, hindi naman na avoidant lang sila, ganun lang talaga. But you know, ang dami ng problema sa mundo. Why would we still care to go out of our way and engage in this if we're called to? So why? Why do we need to?
Kasi sabi ni Brother Ayo last week sa talk.
Oh, grabe, nakikinig siya.
Oo,
Attentive.
ganun kasi.
Ako kasi nag-video lang ako.
Biniduan lang niya kung ano yung pinunan niyang mali.
Hindi, tinapos ko kaya yun. Tapos.
Hindi, pero nasa talk series natin ngayon na parang as Catholics, we're also called to evangelize. So it's part of the mission. Na, kasi parang naging
Our baptismal
Oo.
mission. Yeah.
Kasi
Or
tama
calling.
na naging nasanay tayo na we just practice the faith. Tapos, okay. Like personal, ano ko siya.
Oh, yeah.
Tapos, yun nga, parang may, dati nung madalas tayo mag-gig, may mga nagtatanong sa akin talaga na, parang, born again ka ba? Na, Christian ka ba? Ganyan. Pag tinatanong, Christian ka ba? Ano church mo? Catholic. Parang, hindi, kasi Christian yung Catholic. Pero as in ano siya, hindi sila sanay na vocal tayo about our faith.
Yeah.
But in reality, we're also called
We're
to
called to evangelize.
evangelize, diba?
Yeah.
Like Nico said last episode na if you've received so much, like why wouldn't you share it?
Yeah.
Diba parang
Yeah.
in the same way na we get so much out of our faith na ang personal sa atin ni Lord. Tapos hindi natin siya pag-uusapan.
Yeah.
Parang
Yeah.
hindi natin i-share. Yun.
Question ulit.
why do we have to care to defend the faith?
Well, kasi yun nga, pag if you found you have to find the balance first nga. Again, right? Again. You have to find the balance. If nakita mo na yung person naman is open to it, ganyan, and or actually maganda kay acknowledge mo na eh. Sa una pa lang eh. Okay, so ito bro, hindi tayo mag-aaway ah.
Talaga,
Hindi, diba?
talaga. Hindi tayo
Ano like civil conversation tayo dito, parang ganyan. Pero yeah, you have to defend it kasi well, I mean, sa akin, this is the one true church. I'm sorry, pero yun sa akin eh. That's my
Yeah,
belief.
yeah.
This is the lineage that Jesus left eh. So for me, this is what I'm practicing is really the truth.
Yes.
Parang ganon. And so if someone, parang sinabi mo bro na if ako lang yung inaaway mo, iba yun.
Yeah.
Pero if you're actually,
Attacking my faith.
attacking the Catholic Church na mismo, yun ay medyo ibang usapan eh.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's really important nga na to find that balance first and then saka mo siya, okay, sige, lay tayo ng facts peacefully. Ganyan.
Yeah.
Okay. Ako, I think it's already, the answer is found in your question. Na you said na there's already so many things happening, why would I still defend it? Yun na nga yung point eh. For me naman, it's providing a different perspective. Yun na nga yung point eh. Ang dami na nga nangyayari, ang gusto mo pa eh, mga take.
Yeah.
Ang gusto mo pa eh, hanapan ng butas tong mali kayo, ganyan. Just, I am defending it because I'm gonna show you that there's a better life in this goes to non-Catholics and those who are also in the faith.
Yeah.
I'll be evangelizing about life I have now.
Yeah.
Kasi nga, ang dami na nga nangyayari. Gusto ko ito bigyan ng perspective that there's something beautiful outside everything that's going on. Look at the life that we get to have if you just open yourself and
And you
Yeah.
get to have
Yeah.
a savior.
exactly.
Yeah.
Or kung doon naman sa mga meron naman na silang sariling faith and then they're just attacking
Yeah.
Yeah.
just to prove them that what you're doing is wrong.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
If by the end of the day, if this is what, kung yan eh papupunta mo sa langit nyo, di sige.
Mm.
Mm-mm.
Gawin mo, pero ako, I won't engage
Yeah.
in that. Sorry.
Yeah.
So, naalala ko tuloy yung, di ba meron tayong panel discussion sa FeastCon before?
Best.
Diba? Like, there was Father
That was
Joel,
powerful.
Pastor Jeff.
Pastor Jeff, and Pastor
Jack.
Ryan, and then Brother Bo, nandun sila,
Yes.
usap sila. Sobrang nagustuhan ko yung sinabi nila na, why do we make our differences bigger than our common?
Yeah.
Kasi yung dapat nga, di ba, dapat mas common natin si Jesus.
Mm,
Tapos may
yeah.
konti lang tayong difference.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bakit na nangyayari? Parang ang laki ng difference natin.
Magnified.
Yeah.
Si Jesus, konti lang yan. Parang
Yeah.
gano'n. So dapat i-magnify natin, okay, we have something in common with Jesus. Sino pa magko-compare doon?
Mm-mm.
Tapos
Yeah.
yung difference natin, it's just small differences.
Yes.
Tiny differences. Ganyan. So, I think that's really good to acknowledge. Ang ganda,
Yeah.
ang ganda talaga ng panel discussion.
Oh, yeah.
Sobra.
Sige mo, no, pag pumunta ka ba sa langit, no? Tatanungin ka, ay, ikaw, hindi ka sign up to course. Tapos ikaw, dito ka. Diba? Ang corny naman ng Diyos nyo kung gano'n kayo mag-isip. Sorry, gusto ko lang sabihin yun. Kung ang tatanungin sa inyo sa gates of heaven ay, kinastigo mo ba yung mga Katoliko? Kung gano'n ka, my gosh, what a miserable life, diba?
Yeah.
But also to my fellow Catholic brothers and sisters who also use it against the non-Catholic. Are we really called to do that?
Yeah.
We're not.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're not. Ultimate example naman si Nico, what's our common denominator? Si Jesus, He dined with sinners. My gosh, I mean, sorry, I'm getting,
No, it's okay.
No, yeah,
It's fine.
totoo naman.
Yeah.
Yeah.
kung yun yung view mo, yun yung klaseng buhay na tinatawag ka, parang, di ba dapat questionin yung faith mo muna? So, yeah. Practices nyo ganyan. You're called to sin. You're called to call out people instead of rather focusing on the good things that your faith is giving you.
Yeah.
If you're gonna focus on that, congratulations. You're living a miserable life, my friend.
Yeah. Kasi ano rin siya eh. No one is called to that.
Oh, yeah.
Exactly.
And I
Sana-
don't think I don't think like if we look into any other religion, no one is called to cast out
Yeah,
or like
exactly.
to oppress a different religion.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's doon papasok yun eh. Na personal preference mo siya eh.
Yeah.
Na eto belief nyo or belief mo
Mm-hmm.
na atakihin yung etong ginagawa namin or atakihin yung certain religion.
Yeah.
We're all held by one God.
Yeah.
And that is the firm truth that we have in common.
Yeah.
Diba? Na tama si Nico eh. Na parang yung maliliit na differences, when we focus on that, it just causes division, which is something that we're not called for.
Yeah.
And parang I caught myself praying this the other day. Na, kasi nga, tayo, very Catholic tayo. We're practicing Catholics. We're devout Catholics. And then, pag nakakakita ako ng mga nagko-question about our faith, I believe that this is the one true church.
Yeah.
I believe that I am Catholic. I believe in what the church teaches.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pero, I caught myself praying na, God, I hope I got it right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I hope I get it.
Yeah.
I hope I got it right. I pray that I got it right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I can't tell you that you're wrong
Yeah.
in the same way that you can't tell me that I'm wrong.
Yeah.
So
Totoo.
we can acknowledge din eh, that the devil can use your defending,
Yes, of course.
diba, as a tool.
Yeah.
Kasi nga galing siyang marketing expert yun eh.
Oh, talaga.
Okay, kunwari dinedefend mo yung faith mo, pero totoo yan, you're spreading
Kakasala ka
hate.
na.
Oo.
Diba? You're removing burning bridges.
Yes.
Gatekeeping
diba?
Jesus.
We're made for relationships nga eh.
Yeah.
So sirain natin yung
Yeah.
relationships mo in the mask of your defending the faith.
Yes.
Diba? Parang,
Yeah.
Yun din eh. Kasi parang, babalik ako dun sa sinabi ni Nico kanina na, in my defending the faith, is it calling people to join me?
yeah.
Or is it calling them to see ganyan pala yung ugali nila.
Yeah.
Parang, nangaaway pala sila. Sumasagot pala sila.
Yeah.
Alam mo
To
yun?
alienate them.
Oo. So, I think, there could be truth in what we're saying, but the way that we say it, the way that we hold conversations with people who either believe in the same thing but not really, or those who are practicing something else. Kasi sabi nga ni Nico nung nagsimula yung episode, most of his negative comments come from fellow Catholics. Diba? And dun pa lang medyo alarming na na we have different ways of practicing our faith. Na yung iba talaga gusto nila solemn lang, gusto nila tradition lang.
Walang drums.
Walang drums.
Plucking lang.
Puro flute lang.
Plucking lang ng acoustic.
Pero at the same time, we're still practicing the same thing. It just looks different.
The main things are the main things
Yeah.
still. Yeah.
Tsaka, di ba, sa Bible nga, they danced like crazy. And
May trumpet
they
na
had
sila eh. Mas
drums,
maingay
they
nga
had
yan minsan sa
lyres.
drum eh.
They had trumpets.
Totoo. Totoo.
So, parang-
Sige mo, Walls of Jericho ba? Nagbabagsak doon, plucking lang ng gitara. Sorry.
Lakas mo ng amp nun, no?
Kailangan na natin mag-lunch after that.
Well, I'm just saying.
Tama, di ba? Parang, iba-ibang practices
Ikot sila na
pero,
Yeah.
pero same belief
I think that's
naman.
all. It's so sad because that minimizes what God can do.
Yeah.
Yes.
And where He can
Yeah.
work through.
Is the drums bigger than the Eucharist? Physically,
Yeah.
oo. Pero I mean, di ba? Is the drums bigger than the Eucharist?
Spiritually,
Diba?
Tsaka,
Yeah.
naalala ko lang, kasi sobrang tumatak din talaga sa akin to. Nung feast con sa Baguio,
Mm.
na yung priest doon,
Yeah.
yung homily niya, umiiyak talaga ako sa gilid. Sabi niya parang, thank you to the feast because you are doing something that we priests cannot.
Oh my God.
Na you're
Iyak
reaching
talaga.
people that we cannot reach.
Oh.
It's parang, oh my gosh, if only, alam mo yun, if only everyone thought of it that way. Na I can't do what the priest does.
Yeah.
I can't do what the traditional parishes do. But
Mm.
at the same time, they acknowledge na, people go to the feast because they don't connect anymore to their local
Right.
parishes. And that's fine.
Yeah.
We all lead them to the
Yeah.
same God.
Play our own role.
Yeah.
Ako talaga last thing na lang, getting too emotional here already.
It's fine.
Just to qualify lang din what I said a while ago.
You're practically the same,
Disclaimer.
same person.
Yep, diba? No, but
Imagine what I
really,
go through with two of you.
it really boils down to this. We are all called not to water down the truth.
Oh,
Yeah.
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 Right? So if you speak about it, defend it, ganyan, that's by all means go. But if there's something wrong already being called out, and then speak about it. Speak on the truth. Do not water down the truth. All right?
Yeah.
But it doesn't mean if it's at the expense. If you telling the truth is at the expense of watering down grace
Ooh.
Yeah.
and love and
Yeah.
understanding and
Yeah.
patience and relationships, and I don't think that's what we're
Basically,
called to do.
like limiting life for the other
Yeah.
person. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's expensive. It's
Yeah.
expensive to defend your faith.
Mhm.
Yeah.
It's costly.
Because the price was expensive.
Yeah.
So as we wrap up,
Ay, nako. Na-distract nga.
No, so I think si Nico posted something. Babalik pa rin sa'yo kasi ikaw guest eh.
Totoo ba?
Ay, hindi ba? Sige, wait lang ah. Isang episode pa nga. No, so you posted something after Easter, I think,
Okay.
clarifying that the feast is Catholic.
Oh,
And I
yeah.
think that post got a couple of shares.
Mhm.
A couple of hundreds
Hundreds
and thousands.
of thousands ba? Umabot na ba sa
Alam ko
thousands?
thousands eh, di ba?
I think so. Yeah.
Wow, that's amazing. So, and when I was looking through the people who shared it, I think so for context, the post was clarifying that yes, indeed, the feast is Catholic because even the authority of the church, like
Acknowledges the
yeah, acknowledges the feast. Ganon. So, I was looking through the shares and I caught this one person. I used to be in a Bible study formation program with him
Okay.
during my first year of missions. Tapos, when you were doing Bible studies, I really did not like him. I was like, yabang neto ah. Well, just to clarify, I had that reaction because ako din mayabang. So, I was like, isang mayabang lang.
What?
Hindi, pero to be totally human,
Yeah.
now that I've processed it, I was so turned off by how he was being so, paano ba? Like, so out there with his faith. Kasi the way, you can tell, when a person expresses their faith na parang, ito yung alam ko. Parang ganyan. So ako parang, ugh, whatever. Yeah. So, so after noon, parang, so I think we also had a little disagreement. So it was just like, okay. And so basically I was like, okay, you know the theology about it, all the knowledge, but where's the heart? So I was like, whatever. Anyway, so so when I was looking through your post, I saw him share it.
Oh.
Yeah. And then parang sinabi niya, oo, nag-feast din ako dati, ganyan. Tapos, parang sinabi niya na, although before I also didn't agree, ganyan. But now I've been seeing that they're improving their talks to be more Bible-based and they're really growing, ganyan.
I saw that comment.
Yeah. Tapos parang sabi niya na, although I know there are still some things that I don't
Yeah.
necessarily agree with because he's more like a traditional,
Yeah.
trad Catholic, ganon. Sabi niya na parang, but I do recognize that there are a lot of people under there. Basta may ginamit siyang vocabulary na medyo malalim. Basta sabi niya, they're pastoring, they're shepherding a lot of people back into the church.
Yeah.
And what I
Yeah.
know is when there's a big movement, there also needs to be big support.
Yeah.
So parang
okay.
na-recognize niya na, wow, they're probably overwhelmed.
Right.
Yeah.
Naalala ko na to.
Yeah. So what so beautiful, he said na so let's just support.
Yeah.
Because they probably need our help too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So parang, wow, what a character development.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
So parang, it's possible to talk about things and be firm in
Yeah.
your belief, but it's also possible to change and to, I don't know, give people access to the truth, which
Yeah.
gives
Yeah.
life.
Yeah.
Kasi yun naman talaga yun, hindi naman tayo makikipag-away para lang manalo.
Right.
Yeah.
We're talking about life here.
Yeah.
Ganda.
So, yun, for the donuts who are listening, who are being challenged or being called to defend the faith, and if you don't know what to do, we don't know too. So, I guess it's a way to help us get more, I don't know, to lean on the Holy Spirit more.
Yeah.
And lean on our friends more to like,
Yeah.
hey, what should we do? Or,
Yeah.
make us more, at the end of the day, to make us more
Yeah.
loving.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think parang maganda nga na instead of like whenever you see something that's wrong, you don't just tell them na mali ang ginagawa niyo. Para sige, alam mo pala may mali eh. Paano ako pwedeng tumulong dyan?
Yeah.
Diba? How can I help correct that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Parang gano'n
Yeah.
na parang you offer na lang, okay.
Yeah.
So ang ganda na niya.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
heard Father Meg say that in the podcast. Hi, fathers. Yung sabi niya parang Catholics have gotten used to evangelizing by noticing what's wrong.
Yeah.
Na,
Can you say that again? Si Bea na lang. Cut.
kasi parang we've gotten used to that na mali yung ginagawa mo or dapat
Wow.
ganito lang, dapat
Yeah.
ganyan lang.
Yeah.
Pero, do you actually evangelize when you do that?
No.
Parang gano'n na you have to acknowledge first what's right. You have to build relationships first. And
Yeah.
then, pag-usapan, yan eh. Yun talaga eh, conversation, educate,
Yeah.
support. Parang there's a lot can happen if only we operate on love
Yeah.
and
Yes.
grace instead of you are wrong
Yeah.
and I'm right.
Yeah.
So meron na bang instance na kinorek ka ng kagalit mo tapos sinunod mo? Diba? Lagi,
Oo.
diba laging sinusunod
Hindi.
mo kapag ka may relationship ka, friend
Yeah.
mo, kinall out ka.
Pag alam mong nag-try sila
Yeah.
na at least to...
And alam mong concern, out of concern siya,
Yeah.
hindi out of mali ka.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Diba? age-old joke yun na, wag mong gawin to, wag mong gawin to, wag mong gawin to, wag mong... At the end of the day, you'll be asking, oh, so anong gagawin ko? Di man na tuloy alam mo anong gagawin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what are you for? What are we for?
It's never a question of who, because yung who is already clear.
Yeah.
It's just how.
Yeah.
Wow.
How we talk about who and what.
Yay!
That
We
was
got
nice.
through it.
Did we? Sabi ka, hindi.
Thank you. Thank you
guys.
guys.
Thanks, guys.
That was really good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank
So again, follow Nico on Convos with Nico.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you again, Nico.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Okay.
And thank you, James, for our 1-week-old coffee.
Oo nga. Solid ka, James. 2 weeks ka nagpadala ng coffee. Thank you.
Ay,
Also, thank you pala to Square TV. I don't know if you noticed, but you have
Yeah, the
bean
new
bags.
setup is nice.
New
It's
setup.
so chill.
oo nga eh. Makes us talk more. Very good move.
Or
Or is it?
Depende.
Okay. Thank you, everybody. Continue to follow us, subscribe, and
Rate us 5
5 stars
Yeah.
only.
5.
live a good life. Make good decisions. Bye.
Wow.
Thank you, Tita Vanya.
Yes, Vanya, you too.
Bye, guys.